In this video, we are going to see about copy of method. In previous video, in list, I have told you that direct initialization of list may, may cause logical error. Like A is equal to a list and B is equal to A. It may cause some logical error. To avoid it, we use certain methods called copy of functions. Then we can use list comprehension method or append of method, etc. So on. So in this video, we are going to see about how to avoid the logical error that caused by assigning directly a list or copying directly a list to another list. Okay. Now see here, I have assigned A is equal to 1, comma 4, comma 7, comma 2. Now B is equal to A. The value of A and B is both are 1, comma 4, comma 7, comma 2. Okay. Now see here B of 2 is equal to 10. I have changed B of 2. That is, in list B, I have changed the second index into 10. Then what will be the output of B? 1, comma 4, comma 10, comma 2. But see here, I have printed the original list before. After the changes, I have printing the changed list. Now see here, at the second index, in both A and B, it is changed into 10. But why it is changing it like 10 in both A and B? Because when we assign or copy a list to another list, like just assigning it B is equal to A, then the address of the both list will be same. See here, the address of the both list is same. Hence, while we are changing the value of any one of the element, it will reflect in the another list. This is the logical error behind the direct copying, that is direct initialization of a list to another list. To avoid this, we can use certain methods. First one is copy of function. By using this copy of function, we can copy a list and store in another list. By doing this, so it don't cause those logical error. See here, first of all, I have printed the both A and B. Okay, then I have changed the second index of B into 10. Then I am printing both A and B. Now see here, at A there is no change. At B the second index is changed to 10. Okay, now let's see about the memory address of the both list. See here, I have copied B A to B. Okay, now ID of A and ID of B. See here, both the address are different. Okay, both the address are different. This is the reason behind why the copy of function is a error free concept. Okay, now let me explain about list comprehension. In previous video, I have already taught you what is meant by list comprehension, and I have told you that it is error free. See here, in list comprehension also, while we are copying a list to another list, we get a different address, and also it don't affect the values. Okay, see here, address of A is different to address of B. Okay, now append of method, it is just like a list comprehension but in an expanded manner. See here, I have initialized A and B as a list. I declare, and for I in A, B dot append of I. I already told append of function is used to join a single element at the end of a list. Okay, now what is the value of A and B? It is same, but what is the address of A and B? It is different. See here, it is different. Okay. Now let me give some problems to you. Just solve the 6 problems, and we will see these 6 problems in next video. Okay. First one is searching the element from the list without using the inbuilt function. You should not use the functions like index of function. Okay. Then second one is sorting of list in ascending order without using sort of or sorted of method. Then third question is given a string, make the string into frequency list. It is like I will give you a string. If the string is ABC, then you have to return a list like the list should contains 26 elements. In the 26 elements, the list should contains one at first question, one at second question, one at third question, and remaining should be zero. Why? A has only one count, and B has only one count. C has only one count. Hence, at the first question, A has only one count, so 1. And second, B has only one count, so 1. At third question, C has only one count, 1. And there is no D, no E, no F, and other alphabets are only zeros. So total length of the list should be 26. Then find the greatest element in a list without using max of function. Okay, there is a function called max of function, which is used to find the maximum element of the list. Now count the number of positive and negative numbers in a list. I give you a hint in it. If the element is greater than 0, then it is positive. If the element is less than 0, it is negative. Okay. Now matrix multiplication.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.